Okay, I'm going to show you how to put the hole into your mallet head. So if I'm on my mallet head, I'm going to go ahead and find the plane that goes up and down through my shape. I do this by going to the model toolbar over here, clicking the plus sign next to origin, and for me it's the YZ plane. Notice how that one goes vertically through my shape. Next I need to add the plane that I'm going to draw on. So up in my ribbon up here, in my work features, I have one that says plane. And when I click the down arrow, I'm looking for tangent to surface and parallel to plane. I'm going to rotate my shape a little bit so that you can see what I'm selecting here. So it went away. Let's try again. There's my YZ plane. And I want to select the plane that I want it to be tangent to. So when your YZ plane shows up, I did work plane, tangent to surface, and here's the surface I want it to be tangent to. So all it does is it takes that plane and it slides it out until it's tangent to the surface you select. Now I'm going to start my 2D sketch and I'm going to choose the plane that I want to sketch on, which is that new plane I created. Since I want to put in a hole, I'm going to choose point and choose where I want my hole to be and click Finish Sketch. I'm going to choose that I want to make a hole. And I'm going to choose the point I want to make it on. Notice that yours might not point the proper direction. So if your arrow is pointing upwards like this, out of your shape, that's not going to work so well. So you'll use these red and black arrow buttons here to determine which way you want it to go. Then I just need to make sure that everything's set to the dimensions that it shares in my packet. So 0.875 as my drill depth, 0.625 as my thread depth. I'm doing a threaded hole to a certain distance. I'm using an ANSI unified screw threads to 0.625 and 5/8 -11 UNC. So everything looks good, matching up the specifications to my packet. I'm going to click OK. And what that's done is it's created for me a threaded hole into my mallet head. Good luck. I think this is probably one of the trickiest steps in creating your pieces. It took me several tries to tape this video, so don't get frustrated. Just keep trying the steps.